Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group. I'm in a DeBary community today. You can see here behind me some of the amenities. There is a playground and a pool. And the home I'm going to take you inside of, they're in closeout phase, but they do have one available. It will be where the parking lot is currently at right now. And it has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So stay tuned and I will show you around. I'll take you inside of this model home. It's actually sold, but it will give you an idea of what the floor plan looks like. There is only one left, and it will be built in the parking lot over there. So we step inside. It's priced at $426,465. You have a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,536 square feet. This is actually your primary bedroom suite at the front of the home, where you have your walk-in shower, your toilet, and your vanity. There's one other 3-bedroom floor plan, a little larger, that will be built, priced at $461,681. So if you're interested in that, let me know. We come out to the open floor plan, where you'll have a gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, white cabinets. You see here you have plenty of space at the island for bar stools, and a big pantry here in the corner. The great room is a nice big space, and then you have your dining area here behind me, next to your covered lanai. This is a model, so it's set up a little differently. This would actually be a bedroom closed off. You have another bedroom over here, a full-size bathroom, a laundry room, and then 2-car garage where this office space is now. If you like this floor plan and community, it will not last. Please give me a call. My name is Amanda Haynes. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.